Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into the fascinating world of neural networks and deep learning. If you've ever wondered how machines learn or how self-driving cars, speech recognition, and image generation all happen, this video is for you. By the end, you'll have a solid grasp of neural networks, how they work, and the tools that make it all possible. Let's get started. What are neural networks? A simple neural network diagram. At the heart of deep learning lies the neural network. Neural networks are inspired by the way our brains process information. Just like our brains have billions of neurons connected by synapses, a neural network has layers of connected nodes, often called neurons. Let's break it down! Understanding layers and nodes. The diagram zooms into a single node and then expands to show multiple layers. Think of each node as a mini calculator that processes information. Each layer of a neural network has many of these nodes, and the network is structured in multiple layers. Typically, you'll see three types of layers: input layer, hidden layers, and the output layer. 1. Input layer. This layer receives the raw data, for example, pixels in an image or words in a text. 2. Hidden layers. These are the internal layers where the real magic happens. Each node in a hidden layer applies mathematical operations, like multiplication and addition, based on the data it receives. This helps the network learn patterns. 3. Output layer. The output layer gives the final result. 3. In the case of image recognition, for example, it might say, "Yes, this is a cat," or "No, this isn't a cat." Neural activity flowing through the network layer. How do neural networks learn? Okay, so now you understand the structure. But how do these networks actually learn? The answer lies in a process called training. A neural network receiving input and adjusting weights. When we train a neural network, we feed it a large set of data, like thousands of images of cats and dogs. The network starts by making random guesses and adjusting based on the errors it makes. This happens through a method called backpropagation. The diagram shows backpropagation in action with errors flowing backward and weights being adjusted. Backpropagation is where the network looks at how wrong it was in its guess, and it adjusts the weights, or the importance, of each connection between nodes. Over time, the network learns to minimize its mistakes and gets better at making predictions. A visual of the learning process speeding up over time, showing how a network improves accuracy. This learning is powered by an algorithm called gradient descent, which helps the network find the optimal way to adjust those weights. After thousands of rounds of tweaking and learning from its mistakes, the neural network gets very good at recognizing patterns in the data. Overview of popular deep learning library. Now that you've got a solid understanding of how neural networks work, let's talk about the tools you can use to build them. Two of the most popular deep learning libraries out there are TensorFlow and PyTorch. Let's do a quick overview. TensorFlow. TensorFlow, developed by Google, is one of the most widely used deep learning libraries. It's powerful for building large-scale machine learning models and offers a wide range of pre-built tools and resources. TensorFlow is great for both beginners and experts. It's highly scalable, meaning you can run it on your laptop or scale up to massive datasets on cloud servers. It also offers Keras, a simplified API for building models quickly. PyTorch. PyTorch, developed by Facebook, has been gaining popularity for its flexibility and ease of use. Researchers love PyTorch because it feels more like Python, allowing for more intuitive coding. PyTorch is particularly loved for its dynamic computational graph, which means you can make changes on the fly while building your network. This is great for experimentation and research purposes. So there you have it. Neural networks are powerful models that learn through layers of nodes and connections, and thanks to libraries like TensorFlow and PyTorch, anyone can start building their own deep learning models today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more deep dives into the world of AI and machine learning. And if you have any questions or want me to cover a specific topic, drop a comment below. Until next time, keep exploring the incredible world of AI.